Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. B and this is Erin.
Hi everybody.
Together we are going to teach you how to play the recorder. Now Erin, please show our friends what your recorder looks like. Wow, this is a beautiful instrument. Can you tell us about the recorder?
Yes, it is an instrument that needs air to make a sound. It is called a blowing instrument.
Really? Can you demonstrate that to us? This is a beautiful sound, but you know what? I think our friends in our congregation should try to blow with us. I'm going to count to 3 and then I'm going to say blow and you are going to just blow on your recorders. Ready? 1, 2, 3 and blow. Wow, let's do that once more. 1, 2, 3 and blow. Do you think that our friends managed to do this?
Yes, Mrs. B.
I am so tired from all this blowing now. I think I need to sit down. Oh, golly. This is called my resting position. Did you know that?
Nope.
Nope, you did not know that. Do you know what? When you are not playing on your recorder can also take a good rest. What you do is to take it in your left hand, thank you, and you can put it under your right arm and it can take a nice little snooze. It will be safe and warm there. Would you like to try that? In your left hand and under your chicken wing. There we go. Well done. Did you know that your recorder has a special name, just like us? What is your name again? I forgot.
Erin.
Erin, wow. Okay, so this recorder is also part of a very big family. And what do you think this recorder's name is?
Descant.
I think that is perfect. So Erin here is going to help me introduce the rest of Descant's family. Erin, please would you go and get the biggest recorder on the shelf? Oh, this is a big recorder. It's almost as tall as you. Let's see. Oh, just above your belly. Now, do you know that this recorder can play very deep notes? Do you want to try? Does your fingers even fit on it? No, her fingers does not fit. Let me see. Please, may I? There we go. I'm going to try. It's very large. Are you ready? Are you looking for the sound? That was a really deep note. I think while Erin goes to fetch the next recorder, I'm going to put bass away neatly on the shelf. Wow, Erin, I hear you blowing on this instrument already. What instrument did you get now?
The tenor recorder.
The tenor recorder. Can you tell me anything about the sound it makes? Blow on it and let's see. Wow, and another note. Can you see or hear that this instrument is slightly higher than the other one?
Yes.
So why do you think? Can you see?
Because it's shorter than that one.
Absolutely. I would give you a gold star for that answer. It is a shorter instrument, so the sound will be slightly higher. Now, Erin, can you please fetch the sopranino and the treble recorders? Ooh, this is very interesting. Look at the size difference. A tiny one and a slightly bigger recorder. So the slightly bigger one is called
Treble.
treble. Absolutely wonderful. I'm going to play on this recorder and then we're going to listen to sopranino and see what it sounds like. Let's just twist it a bit. And are you ready to listen? Switch on your ears. A nice deep sound. Erin, come stand here. And let me see now what sopranino can do. This recorder plays so high. It sounds so shrill. Is it a heavy recorder?
No, it's so light.
Is it so light? And this recorder's name is sopranino. Say with me. Sopranino. Almost like a tiny soprano instrument. Right. I think, Erin, it is time to play our descant recorders. What do you think?
Yeah.
I think so. We're going to get ready. Wait for us for a few seconds and then we'll see you right back. So Erin, now you've heard all 5 instruments that we've played. Let's summarize for our friends. We get the bass recorder, then the tenor recorder, the treble, and the descant, and the sopranino. We're going to put these away and then we ask you to get your descants out so that we can learn to play our recorders. Right, Erin, have you got your recorder ready? Let's see. Are you up for a challenge? Are you up for a challenge? Are you sure? Erin, how many parts does your recorder have?
I think it has 2.
2. I think mine has 3. Are you up for that challenge? Let's count. 1. Twist. So 1, 2, 3. I thought you said 2. Did you even know that your recorder had 3 parts? Did you? No. Right, we are putting all the parts together. Today's recorders mostly have 3 parts. It has a head joint, a middle joint, and a foot joint. Erin, come, let's help our friends to remember the parts. A head joint, a middle joint, and a foot joint. Right, let's try that again. Head joint, middle joint, and foot joint. Now remember that when you put your recorders back. Now we've looked at the head joint, the middle joint, and the foot joint. And when I put my recorder together, I call that assembling. I am going to assemble my recorder by taking my head joint and gently twist it onto the middle joint. And then I'm going to take the foot joint and I'm going to put it gently onto the middle joint. Erin, let's try to assemble your recorder. Let's see. She's taking the middle joint and she's doing gently, squeeze gently. And give it an extra little nudge and eat all your porridge. And the foot joint. And let's see quickly, is yours nice and straight? Let's see.
Nope.
Oh, it's skew. Show our friends quickly what it looks like when it's skew. I don't think you can play on your recorder when it's all skew because you'll have wonky fingers. Right, what do you do to fix it? Gently twist your recorder. And let's show the friends quickly. Where must all the holes be? It should be in line with a mouthpiece. There we go. Do you know how to hold your recorder? Do you know how to hold your recorder? Do you? Are we going to show our friends how we should do that? We should take our left hands. Where's your left hand? Help me. Left hand. And we're going to put our thumb on the back of the recorder to close the little hole. And 1, 2, 3 front fingers to go on the front holes there. Let's see. There we go. And we take our thumb for the right hand. Thumbs up. Chip. And put it behind the recorder notes and put the fingers neatly on the recorder. Remember everyone, if you're not sure which hand should go on top, all you do is shout, everybody stop, left hand on top.
Miss B, does it mean that you should take a bath? Because my mom says every family member must take a bath every day.
Well, Erin, that's a very, very good question. Our recorders gets dirty because we're blowing into it all the time and it collects so much dirt and germs. So yes, we have to clean our recorders, but not every single day though. Can you remember the things we put together that we can show everybody how to clean our recorders? Can you fetch it for me? I'll hold your recorder so long and then you can go fetch it. Remember, it's right over there. Go fetch it. I'll move this away. There we go. I think that is okay. Now, first thing that you have to do, I think you should stand over there, then everybody can see nicely. So let's quickly run through the things we need to keep our recorders clean. We need lukewarm soapy water, an earbud, a clean towel, and a lint-free cloth. Now, Erin, I'm going to explain to you how to do it, and you follow the steps. Can you do that?
I know how to do it.
Oh, you know how to do it? Well, firstly, Erin is going to take the recorder pieces apart and put it in the hot soapy water. Put it in the water for me. And that's the head joint, the foot joint, and the middle joint. And now she's going to give it a gentle wash. And she's going to take the earbud to see that there's nothing stuck between the little holes. Can you do that? And she's very thorough. Wow, I think that's a very good job you're doing there, Erin. Here we go. Now, Erin's going to pass me the middle joint and I'm going to dry this. And while I'm drying this, she's going to take the lint-free cloth and wipe off all the parts of the recorder, just to make it nice and shiny and clean. Then you get a good sound. There we go. Be careful. Do not leave your recorder in the hot car or the sun because it will definitely affect the sound it makes. Now, Erin, I think now that the recorders are clean, we should continue to learn how to play. Right, everybody, now that we've cleaned our recorders, I would like for you to take your head joint off so that we can start making sounds. Erin, could you please blow into your headpiece? Oh, golly, did you use the tongue?
No, Mrs. B. Was I supposed to?
Of course you were supposed to, like this. That is called tonguing and it makes a beautiful sound when you play on the headpiece. Can you try that again? That was very good. Everybody, let's try. I'm going to count you to 3 and then you're going to do 4 toots. 1, 2, 3, 4 toots like this. Are you ready? I'm going to count you down. 1, 2, 3. Should we try once more for good luck? Right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Your homework for next time is to practice playing on your head joint using a 2-2-2 sound. So you should have a 2-2-2 terrific week till next time. Happy practicing. Bye-bye everyone. Say bye.